Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
RTI file केल्लो ताजेर. What is the cost incurred in the travel of the Pradhan Mantri सगळ्या कंट्रीनी भोंवता ते कॉस्ट दिना कित्याक आमचे पैसे न्ही ते टॅक्स पेयराचे पैसे न्ही why don't you all want to disclose that? RTI कित्याक हाडलेली RTI हाडलेली बेसिकली हर एक नागरीक जो आसा सिटीजन आसा ताचो हक आसा विचारपाक तो टॅक्स पे करता खुबश्यो केसीस ज्यो RTI फायल केल्ल्यो पेंडिंग दवरलेल्यो आसा ना जाल्यार डेटा ते डिस्क्लोज करिना 4,05,000 appeals पेंडिंग आसा across 29 commissions November 2024 around 23,000 cases pending आसा CIC itself which is supposed to show the way and give direction to other commissions to clear the cases तांच्याकडे 23,000 cases pending आसा.
Restore independence of information commission by undoing the 2019 amendments and ensure fixed 5-year tenure with secure service conditions. दूसरो, review and amend DPDP Act's provision section 43/3 that undermines RTI's public interest mandate. तीसरे, immediately fill vacancies in central and state commission through a transparent time-bound process. चौथे, enforce performance standards for commission and mandate public reporting of disposal rates. जे ताणे सांगले की 4 लाखाच्या वयर पेंडिंग केसी आसा त्यो इमिडिएटली डिस्पोज जावपाक जाय. पांचवो, provide strong protection for RTI users and whistleblowers through full implementation of the Whistleblower Protection Act. And lastly, ensure diversity in commission by including journalists, activists, academics and women representation. RTI has been one of the greatest democratic reforms of modern India, enabling citizens to hold power accountable and its erosion in an erosion of democracy itself.